Imagine for a moment that your child, full of dreams and ambitions, is deprived of the chance to go to school. That they are forced to stay at home, not by choice, but due to a lack of resources or available educational institutions. This heartbreaking reality is the daily struggle of many children in Haiti. In Haiti, the education system is predominantly private. According to available data, about 88% of schools are non-public, leaving only 12% of schools as public institutions to accommodate the majority of students. These few public schools serve approximately 600,000 students, leaving most children dependent on private schools that are often unaffordable for the most disadvantaged families. This imbalance creates an insurmountable financial barrier for many families. Even worse, according to various estimates, nearly 600,000 children between the ages of 10 and 17 are out of school, and nearly 250,000 children aged 6 to 11 are excluded from the education system, deprived of their fundamental right to education. This situation has profound consequences. Children from disadvantaged families are the most affected, perpetuating a cycle of poverty and marginalization. In response to this reality, B&M Foundation aims to financially support around 26 families who wish to start their own businesses, helping some children through our entrepreneurship support program. The lack of educational infrastructure in rural areas, as previously mentioned, limits opportunities for thousands of children. Without access to education, these children see their future prospects diminish, impacting not only their lives, but also the overall development of the country. In response to this growing demand for support, B&M Foundation Haiti is committed to providing school kits and uniforms every year to ease the financial burden on families and encourage school attendance. Funding education by covering the school fees of approximately 39 students. Expanding our goal to support more than 50 students in secondary school and university next year. Offering psychosocial support to more children and youth through counseling sessions, helping them overcome trauma and learning difficulties. Today, we make a heartfelt appeal to you. Imagine that your contribution could transform a child's life. That thanks to your support, a future doctor, teacher, or engineer could emerge and contribute to Haiti's renewal. Every action matters. Together, we can break down barriers and give these children the future they deserve. Let's not look away. Let's take action.